Привет from Sakhalin, Russia, again from the festival Volna, wave. As I was saying, if you have seen my other videos, there are kites competitions here and music and various activities. Volleyball net, maybe there will be a volleyball competition. It actually reminds me of the festival in my youth when I was a student. Our friends has arranged such a festival at the seashore of Aniva, which is warmer than Okhotsk, but this is organized by some other people now. And I'm no longer a student, unfortunately. But we will see what's going on here. A lot of people, as you see, various kites, even like this. Scary kite. And there are wakeboarders and surfers over there. And yoga exercises. Very interesting day, very interesting activities. The tents. People are coming here with families. And the sea is cold, but not very cold. Somebody have left a watermelon from yesterday, I think, here. And there is my net for the fish somewhere there. I'll collect it later, see other videos on that, and I will try to do fishing later on. But for now I'll enjoy the day here and enjoy the festival. Maybe I'll do some yoga exercises. And by the way, then eat my shrimps, which I bought for like $5. Hope they're fresh. And I want to try to catch fish on them. I was advised that fish catches better on the shrimps. Of course, smart fish. Let's touch the sea again. I've already tried, but let's do some more. People are now trying to get to the water. Even the kids. A girl is on the surfing boat. I want to have such a boat. If I have enough participation in my channel and a lot of subscribers and some support, maybe I'll buy such a board and do the videos with swimming on such a board. I want to also buy a quadricopter, a drone to film, but this is all in the future. And right now, in the present, I will just swim as usual. It's very cold, but it's swimmable. Nobody is swimming apart from me. But I'm swimming in any water. Even yesterday it was so glacial cold. And even at night. You can see my other videos on this. Привет from Sakhalin, Russia. Let's feed the shrimps. Nice. So, this is how you do it. This is good. Okay, I'll leave you because I'll be busy. Sometime I'll be eating my shrimps. Or maybe do some yoga. Or both. Yeah, we'll enjoy the sea. And watching surfers. Bye! From Sakhalin, blue sky.